Hello, it's Greg Anderson with Caliber Home Loans. I want to tell you a great story about a recent client who refinanced with my team. This particular client had $80,000 in student loans, and they had a rate where we could really improve on their situation on their home. They originally came to us saying they wanted to improve on their rate and lower their monthly house payment. But when I looked at how much equity they have in their home with the recent run-up in home prices, we looked at a strategy where they could pay off all of their student loans and save $1,200 a month in their payments on student loans by rolling those into their mortgage. In the end, this client chose to do a 15-year mortgage, which cut 10 years off of their current mortgage, roll all of their student loans in, and they were still saving $200 a month. So they're cutting 10 years off their mortgage, saving $200 a month, not have to worry about those student loans anymore. These are the kinds of strategies that are available in this unprecedented rate market we're in. Everyone wants to know, is now the time to refinance your mortgage? Here's what I'm gonna tell you. If your interest rate is 4% or above, it's a great time for you to refinance. If you have debts that you're struggling to pay off, but you have equity in your home, it's a great time to refinance. And if you're looking out at retirement and you see that you might want to have your home paid off before retirement and you're not currently on pace to do so, it's a great time to refinance. I would love to talk to you about your situation to see if we can help you change your life and get in a better financial situation for your family.